Hey guys, welcome to Nuko Maths. On this channel, we break down concepts into easy steps for you to understand. Today we're going to be going over solving linear equations from easy to hard. In questions, they'll ask you to solve for x. And so what you have to do is make x by itself. So you bring 3 to the other side and it becomes 10 minus 3. The key rule is that if something goes over the equal sign, the sign changes. So if it's a plus, it'll become a minus, and if it's a multiply, it'll become a divide, and back and forth. Then you do 10 minus 3, which is 7. Here's another example, and the key is to make x by itself. So we bring 4 to the other side, and its sign changes to plus, and it becomes 2x equals 24. And now the 2 comes to the other side, and the multiply sign between 2 and x now becomes a divide. So it's 24 divided by 2, which is 12. And if you were to put it back into the original, 2 times 12 is 24, minus 4 is 20. Here's another example, and we do the same thing of making x by itself. But you get faster at it, so you minus 16 and you get 4x equals 32. Then you divide it by 4 because it comes to the other side, and you get x equals 8. You can double check by putting it back into the original equation. Here's a question that involves brackets. And so the first thing we have to do is expand the brackets using our crab claw method, and we get 3x plus 12 is 16. And then we just do what we did before with the sign changes. So we get 3x equals 4, then you divide 4 by 3 and get x is 4 over 3. And it's totally okay to have an answer that's a fraction. Let's try a similar question. We can see we have a bracket, so the first thing we do is expand the bracket using our crab claw method, and we get 6x plus 18 plus 12 equals 56. Now what you do here is you just add the terms on the left so you have whole numbers, and you get 30, and then you move that to the other side and flip the sign, and you get 6x equals 26. You then divide the 6, and you get 26 divided by 6, and we can simplify that to 13 over 3. Let's try a question with multiple variables. So 3x plus 2 equals x plus 6. The key, like I said before, was get x all on one side. So if there are x's on different sides, we want to bring them all to one side. So I bring the x to the other side and its sign changes, and I do the same with the other numbers. And then I simplify to get 2x equals 4, and then you move the 2 and get x equals 2. Now let's try an example with double brackets. We do the same thing and expand them with our double crab claw method, and we get 3x plus 12 equals 2x plus 4. We get all the x's to one side and all the normal numbers to the other side, and then we get x equals minus 8. Here are some practice questions. Pause the video and give them a shot. I'll now go over the answers with you. So for question 1, we bring 5 to the other side and we get x equals 11. For the second question, we get 12 to the other side and then divide by 2 and we get 16. Question 3, we get all the x's to one side and all the other numbers to the other and simplify and get x equals negative 1. Question 4, we have two brackets, so we have to expand, and we bring all the x's to one side and all the other numbers to the other, and we simplify to get x equals minus 2. I'll highlight the answers in blue so you know which ones to look back at. Here's a summary for today's lesson. We learned that if you have an equation, you want to get x's to one side and the other numbers to the other side, so then you can simplify them. And also, if a number goes over the equal sign, its sign changes. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe so you keep up to date with the videos that we post. Next week's video will be about solving simultaneous equations.